Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add keyboard to your iPhone. So first, you can go to your settings like this. Scroll a little bit to find this general settings. So click on this general and go to keyboard options. And then click on this top option over here. So this here I have the English keyboards, Indonesian and emoji, and to add new keyboard you can click on this button and you can scroll down to find the new keyboard that you want to add into your iPhone. So here I want to add Arabic to my keyboard, then click done. So we're going to paste it in notes like this. I'm going to add a new note. Alright, to activate the new keyboard, you can go to this button over here. You have to press and hold on this globe icon. And then there you have it. The Arabic keyboards is on the bottom options there. You can click on that and then you can start typing in Arabic now. And you can try it in another keyboard that you want to add to your iPhone. So that's easy guys, to add a new keyboard to your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in another tutorial from this channel. Bye bye.